Click on the link below to get price. The LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is truly an exceptional tool for managing moisture in large spaces or environments with high humidity levels. With an impressive capacity of 77 AHAM 125 saturated pints per day, this unit is tailored for commercial applications, making it an ideal choice for basements, warehouses, or construction sites. One of the standout features of the LGR dehumidifier is its advanced low-grain refrigerant (LGR) technology. This allows the device to effectively extract moisture from the air at much lower humidity levels than traditional dehumidifiers can manage. Users can appreciate how it tackles the persistent dampness that often plagues basements and crawl spaces, preventing mold growth and protecting valuable assets. The design of the dehumidifier is robust yet user-friendly. It features a durable frame that can withstand the rigors of commercial use while remaining portable enough to be moved as needed. The built-in wheels and handle facilitate easy transport, a major plus for those who require mobility between different job sites. Operation is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive digital control panel. Users can easily set their desired humidity levels and monitor performance through a clear display. The continuous drainage option is another advantageous feature, allowing the unit to operate autonomously without the need to frequently empty the tank. In terms of energy efficiency, the LGR Commercial Dehumidifier does not disappoint. It is designed to consume minimal energy while delivering maximum performance, which is a critical consideration for businesses looking to lower operational costs. Moreover, the noise level is surprisingly low for a commercial unit, making it suitable for environments where loud machinery could be disruptive. Overall, the LGR Commercial Dehumidifier combines power, efficiency, and ease of use, making it an invaluable asset for any commercial space facing moisture issues. Whether for ongoing maintenance or emergency situations, this dehumidifier proves to be a reliable solution for moisture control.